My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's me, your host, Toon, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bring you another sneaker pickup / sneaker review, early review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. All right, doing some top of the week shopping right now. As you see right now, just came back and picked up some Sambas, nothing spectacular or whatever like that. I'm actually leaving the mall right now. But wanted to hit y'all with an early review of a shoe that I kind of lost track that it was coming out. I'm looking for my ride. That's why I ordered a ride. I don't know where it's at. They said they was here, and they're not here. So, yeah. 1 second. Okay, found my ride in the car now, heading back home. You know, there go Jess. I ain't see her in a while. I like that. She's still the same old. Anyway, all right. So, early review, come out next month. So once I give y'all this review, just check it out, and after that, I'll come back and give y'all some proper information off of a proper website with, like, you know, retail price and all that good stuff. So stay tuned for that. Enjoy the review, and I'll be back. Okay. Right off back, I'm loving this box. Look at that young MJ. Look at that young MJ with the Jordan 1s right there across his shoulder, holding the basketball, the Air Jordan wings in the center of his little jersey. I'm loving this box. See, Jordan brand, this is what we talking about. We want stuff like this. If you're going to increase the price, at least make it worth our while. Like, this box is wonderful in the back. It's a complete 360 of, like, the playground of the back of where he at. I love this box. Let's get to the thing. Description. These are Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Color is white, black, varsity red sale, size 8.5. I think suggested retail price is like, maybe they keep on going up, so I think it's like 200, maybe 190, 215. I don't know. I'll tell you when I get back to the house. But yo, personal pair, no reseller here. You know what it is. Let's get straight to it. Ooh, look at us. Look at the plastic. Air Jordan. Got a picture of Jordan right there. Young MJ right there. These are so clean. The packaging. And these are. Here we go. Hold on. Close this. Get all that in there. Got it right there. Signature right there. Alright. Close that up. Boom. Alright, so without further ado, I forgot the actual name of I think it's the black toe. But we're just gonna go with the black toe. But without further ado, got the Air Jordan 1 High black toe. Boom. Okay. Oh, this is a beautiful classic shoe. There's an Air Jordan 1 black toe. See that black lever going around the toe cap right there. Oh, got the white lever on the toe box right there. Come with some red laces. I think they probably come with some extra laces too. Let me see. I'm not too sure. I see some red and black laces in there. Let me check the other one just to make sure. No, okay, so just red and black laces, but I mean, you don't need no other ones. You probably put some white ones in if you want. Got that sail midsole going all the way around. Love this. I love the Air Jordan right there written out in that font. I love that font right there. Black ankle. Got the Nike swoosh right there. Side panels is that white tumble lever. Could be better, but it's not that bad. You see it right there. Not mad at that. Nike Air right there on the tongue, all black tongue. Black Nike swoosh right there. These dropped like in February, if I'm not mistaken. All red outer sole, Nike right there in the center. I'm gonna be real with you. I'm not even a Jordan 1 fan like that, but this is a cop for me. I'm not gonna lie. This might be the thumbnail right there. Oh yeah, that's gonna be the thumbnail. I like that. These are definitely a cop. If not just for the box alone, these are dope. And these remind me a lot of like the Lost and Founds. I just got rid of my Lost and Founds. Kind of wish I didn't, but these are definitely a good replacement. But y'all gotta let me know what y'all think about the Air Jordan 1 black toes, rumored to drop like next month. I'm not too sure, but when I get back to the house, I'll give y'all some proper information about it. But can't believe I just dropped it. Dropped the whole shoe. Anyway, get back to the house, I'll give y'all some proper information. So stay tuned for that. Be right back. Okay, just got back. All right, so hope y'all enjoyed that review from the Air Jordan 1 black toes. And I learned one thing too once I got back to the house and I put up some proper information, which I'm going to read to y'all in a second. These are the reimagined black toes. I didn't even know that. But anyway, I'm going to get some information off Sneaker Bar Detroit. It should be up right now. Shout out to Sneaker Bar Detroit. Like I said, you can read along with me. Let me get this ad out the way real quick. All right. So Air Jordan 1 High OG Black Toe Reimagined releases February 2025, excuse me. It says, Jordan Brand expands its Reimagined series with the Air Jordan 1 High OG Black Toe edition for the holiday 2024, now 2025, excuse me. Following the triumphant of the Lost and Found and the Royal Reimagined. The Royal Reimagined was not triumphant. They're lying. I sold them on sale for like $89. No one bought them. Do I have two pairs? No, I had a pair, and I got rid of them. I got rid of them because I was like, I don't think I want these. And Jess had a pair too, and she wore them, and then she didn't want them no more, and I just took them because I was like, you know what? Maybe I can get a fit with them. Matter of fact, where are they at? I don't have my Lost and Founds no more. Turn this light off, excuse me. My Lost and Found box though is right there. I love the box. I was able to keep the box. Here to reimagine the Royals. These are the Royals. These are horrible. These are just horrible. Trash. Jess wore them a couple times, and I think she was gonna like donate them or something. I was like, you know what? Let me get them because me and her wear the same size. And yeah, I haven't even worn them yet. I just don't want to wear them. You feel me? All right, the video been up the whole time. Anyway, all right, let's get back to that. This latest drop continues the fusion of classic designs with contemporary elements. Why do the ads keep on popping up? All right, so crafted from premium leather and nylon tongues, the Air Jordan 1 features a timeless color scheme of white, black, varsity red, and sail. Its design showcases a white base adorned with black overlays and swoosh logos, accents by pops of varsity red on the ankle flaps, heels, Nike Air tongue labels, and rubber outsoles. Exclusive packaging and an additional set of laces. I did not see the additional set of laces. Enhances a pair for style enthusiasts. I think they're talking about like the black, because it was black and white ones inside the shoe. So I think they're talking about that. Paying homage to Michael Jordan's inaugural season in the 1984-85. This shoe replicates the iconic pair he wore during that time. Autographed and present to a close associate. It bears Jordan's signature on the inner collar, along with heartfelt message expressing gratitude and commemoration. The Air Jordan inscription on the outer side further commemorates MJ's precise footwear choice. All right, and this slated to drop February 15th, a day after Valentine's Day, at selected Jordan brand stores and Nike.com. Available. Oh, it's $180. It's only $180. Okay, so they didn't go up on this. And that's it. I think in conclusion, the Air Jordan 1 High Black Toe Reimagined blends nostalgia with modernity and Jordan brand's commitment to innovation and heritage. All right, so yeah, February the 15th, 180. Here goes some more images of it, even though you already saw it. Boom, boom, boom. That's the packaging. Yeah, I did all that. And that's it's the two laces. Okay, the black and the red. All right, that's pretty much it for that. So, what y'all think? I like them. I mean, I'm not even a Jordan 1 fan. I really pretty much got rid of the majority of my Jordan 1s. Now that I'm looking around, I don't think I have any more hot top Jordan 1s. They might be in the other room. But from what I see right here, I have no Jordan 1s. Wow. I mean, I got lows and mids, but I don't see no high tops. I think I got rid of all my high tops. I'm not really a Jordan 1 fan, to be honest with you. So, but yeah, it is what it is. Y'all let me in the comments below if this is a cop or drop for y'all. I'm really like leaning towards copping them. I like them. So, like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you will be notified. And as always, from me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Tune's Kicks. Hold up. Oh, let me close my door. Tune's Kicks. And the whole Tune Squad, you know what to do. Have a nice day.